Hello, babies. Well, today the mini schnauzer puppies are 4 weeks old. Grizzly bear can't believe it. Little polar bear, still cuteness, and there's little black bear, aka Ziggy. Hi, babies. Come over here. Come on. Come on. You're not gonna move? All right. And grizzly bear is gonna eat little black bear. Rawr. Oh no, you're gonna get it. Wait, did I scare you? I'm sorry, little one. You guys are so cute. Stop growing, okay? Can you just stay this little forever? Can you? You sticking your tongue at the camera? Ah, that is so funny. Oh my goodness, you are too funny. Is that it? Oh, that's it. No more. Okay. Okay, puppies. Till next week.